Hey everyone, this is Andy back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be working on the engine of my Acura TL. So I actually found a leak in the radiator. So I don't know if it's the hose right here. As you can see here, it's actually leaking from this hose perhaps, or I don't know if it's an actual crack. I tried to wipe it, but it came back, so I'm thinking it might be the hose. So I'm going to switch it out. This is the actual part replacement I bought. So it's 19103-RCA-A00. So it's a direct replacement. So I'm going to switch it out, and hopefully that takes care of the leak. If not, I think it might be a crack somewhere along the hose where that mounts. So in that case, you probably have to switch onto a new radiator. So removing it is pretty simple. You're going to take pliers here, and that's what I'm going to use. Or you can just probably pull it out and just replace it and just swap it out. So I'm going to do that real quick, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I removed the hose for that radiator reservoir. So this is what I found out. This is the original hose. I don't know, this is an aftermarket, but this is the one that I just bought replacing with. As you can see here, I'm going to show side by side. There's a difference, so maybe this is why it's leaking. So the one on the left is a little bit wider than the one on the right. I don't know, let me see if I can catch it side by side. So you can see there's a difference. So I think that may be the problem. So I'm basically going to swap it out, and it's pretty much simple to do that. I didn't need to use the pliers, so I just took out the cap, reservoir cap, and I just twisted out. So it's pretty much simple, and I'm going to put it back, and hopefully I'm not going to have any more leaks. So I suggest taking out the cap and putting on the hose first, and then putting on attach the radiator. So I'll be right back. All right guys, so I put on the hose for the coolant, radiator, and the reservoir. So I twist as far as I can back there, and I wet down all the coolant, and I just put back the hose on the reservoir. So it's a little bit tighter. Like I said, it's the hose was like the new one I replaced was smaller, so I think this might be the original one. Whoever changed his vehicle maybe changed the hose, and it wasn't the right fit, so maybe that's why it was leaking. So hopefully I'm going to monitor it, and hopefully that's my fix. But if not, there may be a crack in the radiator, like I said. But hope this helps anybody out there that may be experiencing the same issue with the TL. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.